the number one reason traders stay broke and how to fix it. That's the topic of this video. Hope everyone's having a wonderful week. If you like this content, please give me a thumbs up. If you don't, give me a thumbs down. If you got any questions or comments, if you're potentially interested in joining our trading team, everything is below depending on what platform you are seeing this on. So you ever notice how people don't really quit trading? They just hop to the next shiny thing. I've been doing this almost 9 years, and somebody doesn't just quit trading and then just go away and move to learn another skill. They just don't do it because they're drawn to the skill and the potential once they can master proper mindset, a proper entry model, support and resources that you can get when you plug into the right folks, the right community. Nobody just quits trading and suddenly becomes a doctor. It does not happen. Okay. I challenge you to tell me somebody who's actually done that, right? They leave one community, one entry model, one company, only to join another over and over again. Listen, quitting learning how to trade never works. Why? Because deep down, you're still chasing that same goal: freedom, financial control, time with your family, whatever your reason is. But every time it gets hard, every time the results don't show up fast enough, what do most people do? They quit. They run. Not because trading doesn't work, but because they haven't committed long enough to make it work. Trading is supposed to be hard. If it were easy, everyone would be rich. But here's the truth no one tells you. Every time you switch entry models, jump to a new trading team, or chase another promise, you realize you're starting over again and again. I've seen it too many times in our group. And to be honest, I almost became that guy when I joined this trading group, this trading team over 8.5 years ago. I almost gave up before I broke through. So I know how you feel. Do you want to win? Stick and stay. It's that simple. Push through the confusion. Ask the questions. Stay plugged into the community that actually teaches you how to understand the why behind your setups. That's what changed it for me. I didn't bounce around. I fought through the adversity. I stayed with a group that gave me the education, the tools, the support, and yet the scanners that make the process smoother. We've been trading together as a group for almost 9 years now. We're still growing, still learning, and helping others every single day. If you're ready to stop jumping through hoops around and actually commit, we're here. Let's build this together. See you on the inside.